up to 2009, we were still barbarians and ignorant teachers. And how do we put a moral to that story, penalizing our students for speaking their own language? Is that right? Is that moral at all? Right. Now, I'm saying that because in education, the first principle, which is actually the condition for education, is that, don't forget this, we begin from what the student knows. And the student knows from the language that he has in his home, in his community, in his lung barrio. Right? Not the English that you are trying to impose upon him, not the Tagalog that you are going to be imposing on him, because there is this Filipino nation that he has to love, right? And he has to also, when he sings, put the hand on the left chest, right? Bayang Agcaoili, anak ng tinapay, okay? I mean, Ilocano is, oh, Pilipinas, talasadiag ko, pastang parak. It's even better, right? Than the Tagalog. And there are 7 versions of this one, by the way. Which just means to say that we have a rich tradition, even among Ilocanos. And I know that you don't know, alright?